day, good morning. I'm searching for a dinner ceramic plates. I have orders from the Maragusan Catering Services. We want a 9 inches ceramic plates for the catering business. This one 9 inches. 9 inches, plain white per dozen, and this is 10 inches. They said it's big 14 inches for the catering, or maybe 13 inches. This is the 10 inches. And here are the plates store ceramic plates. This is the 8 inches, but it's small. The 8 inches. We will buy, I think, a dozen. But I'm still canvassing. I recommend the 9. Here's the 9 inches for the catering business plates here at the Lucky Marketing. And also they need a small bowl for personal, for one person. For the soup bowl, a small soup bowl. They also need a dozen of this soup bowl. There's all of that. I searched for the small soup bowl for personal use. Hi guys. Hi.
Documentation?
Yes. I'm searching for this could be the porcelain soup bowl. This beautiful, nice form. There's also the serving spoon for soup. Serving spoon and spoons and fork, which is thick. Kasi ang the catering will provide the soup bowl, dinner plates, plates here, and spoon and fork we will provide. I'm going to the shopping dish. Can I see the shopping dish with lamp daw? Shopping dish with lamp. Gonna see the shopping dish. There's from 40 packs. Iba, shopping dish with lamp daw. Iba man kaya ang lamp. Iba din ang shopping dish. Hindi siya set. Pero may lamp siya nga para pag ganyan gadi sa shopping dish. Pag present nila, no? Yes. Oh. Sabi sa bawal. Sige. Plate lang. Dali lang. Napunta lang ko dito, shopping dish. Dito na mga ceramic. Wow, nice sige dito. Ay, mga porcelain siya, plates. Ito, ganito ba? How much? Nabalagay. Pero wala lagi naka-display dito. Shopping dish. Teka habang. Shopping dish with lamp. Iba ang lamp. Nasaan yung lamp?
Kani?
This one. Tagpila po siya ang lamp.
Asa nga kita rin nyo ma'am? Asa dapita?
Maragusan.
Maragusan.
Sila, gi-canvas lang ko nila online.
So ikaw ma-provide sa ila ha?
Mag-ani sila kung this is the lamp na. Kung okay ang price, kani mao ni ang lamp. Pidaghan man na siya no kung pila ka shopping dish, ilang i-present sa catering sa event, mao pud no.
Ano good?
Sige, teka. This is the shopping. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm here. Give me one picture.